my brothers and sisters, what's up? This is Prince Jedi Master. I'm back. Sorry about the sound, but I have heard others, and it sounds like the sound might be a YouTube thing. So, YouTube, this is all your fault. Uh, just wanted to give you a quick update. I haven't played many games lately. I've been a little depressed that my computer was gone, but my computer's back, so I'll get some more gaming in. I have been working on Zelda's Phantom Hourglass, and I still find the graphics as lame as they were in Wind Waker, so I just wanted to